So glad that we are not in the people's shoes up north. It's kind of messy.
That is true.
Carolina northward.
Yeah.
North Carolina northward. South Carolina saw quite a bit of activity. Here, coastal areas saw some rain. Inland, you didn't see anything at all. In fact, look at our Doppler Max 11 radar. Here are the end of the showers, and they're just racing by, and they're done. I mean racing by as Irene is continuing to pull away. Still the warnings that we've got all the way from Georgia up to the hurricane warnings around New York and Cape Cod. It's still a tropical storm warning. The National Hurricane Center is the one that changes those warnings, and they haven't done that yet. They will take care of that, I'm sure, shortly. As we watch the moisture now from Charleston, heaviest from Wilmington all the way up Cape Lookout, Hatteras, and now working its way into Virginia Beach. I told you about the mandatory evacuations in Norfolk. Here's the actual area of precipitation according to FutureMax. 3:30 tomorrow afternoon. Heaviest rain bands already on shore. Center will be right about here, about Morehead City. Then this continues to work its way northward with most of the heaviest bands inland. Notice how we've lost the bottom side of the semicircle. So this will weaken perhaps tropical or Category 1, maybe even a tropical storm as it quickly moves up into New England. So that's our story. That's what we're sticking to as we go through the evening here. Category 2 weakening to a Category 1. Look back to the west. This big blue H is going to dominate our weather. That's lots of sunshine. That's also warmer temperatures. Because the high is right along the Gulf Coast, we're going to get a west wind out of that deal, and that's going to push us up into the mid to upper 90s. So as Irene goes away, you're going to ask, what's next? Well, from Irene, we come across the ocean to what was Tropical Depression number 10. This hour, it has fallen apart officially, according to the National Hurricane Center, so we've got nothing to worry about for the next couple of days. Maybe even longer if we can hold our hands together. It's 80 degrees right now in Savannah, 74% relative humidity, just a very light breeze compared to earlier in the day. 91 was our high. We had 1/100th of an inch of precipitation here at WTOC. Temperatures have cooled, never really got above the 70s or low 80s here under the clouds, but farther inland, lots of 90s. Currently, we're at 80 degrees in Savannah. Next tide will be low at 1:05 in the morning. 7:04 the next high tide. That's at 7.2 feet. And with the change in wind direction, I don't think we'll see the same kind of coastal flooding that we saw today. Small craft advisory for Saturday. Seas will certainly be settling down by the time we get to Sunday. So let's put together your Doppler Max 11 forecast for the weekend. Quiet for tonight. Winds diminishing. 74 should be the overnight low. Tomorrow, it will get breezy again. Northwest winds at 10 to 16, but diminishing. 97 should be the afternoon high. That's hot. Heat index at 101, so the humidity levels won't be quite that bad. 96 on Sunday, 93 on Monday with mostly sunny skies. Overnight lows stay in the 70s. We bring back the chances of showers and thunderstorms Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but look at these afternoon highs. They'll be in the upper 80s toward the end of the forecast period. And for the weekend, now behind Irene, we'll be clearing with breezy conditions, and it will be hot. More sun and not quite as windy expected on Sunday. So no real threat of any severe weather, but we do have another opportunity for you to pick up a weather radio. This will be next Thursday, the 1st of September. We'll be at the Kroger on the south side of town on Ogeechee Road at the Berwick Plantation from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. The entire SkyTrack weather team will be there along with many from WTOC to program your weather radios for free. Kroger sells them, but don't forget your batteries. We'll do the programming. We'll have a lot of fun. They keep calling this a party. I work really hard doing these things, but we hope to see you on Thursday. In the meantime, have a great weekend.
Thanks a lot, John.
Sure.